Etong intent to injure, Kuya Mark, required ba talaga yan sa isang kaso ng slander of deeds?
Slander of deeds or defamation, mandatory. Kailangan may intent to injure. May intent to injure the person's name, reputation, and honor. So yun yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na galit ka, wala ka ng intention to injure. Kasi damage has already been done. Hindi dahil galit ka, ang purpose mo doon, nagpadala ka sa emotion mo na insulto mo yung isang tao. Maybe it will reduce your criminal liability, but still, there is still intent. There is intent to destroy the name, the reputation, and honor ng isang tao. Dahil galit ka lang, mawala yung intention mo? Hindi. kahit galit ka, may intention ka pa rin na sirain ang reputasyon, ang honor, and dignity ng isang tao. Yun yan. Pero dahil galit ka, nadala ka lang sa emotion mo, maybe yung utak mo, nabawasan yung pag-iisip mo dahil galit ka, but still may intent ka pa rin, mabawasan ang criminal liability mo. Mabawasan lang. But it will not excuse you from criminal liability dahil lang galit ka. Dahil galit ka, mabawasan lang ang intent mo to injure a person's honor and reputation, but still, mayroon ka pa rin intent. That's why you can still be liable for oral defamation. Yan yan.